literally that one. But we have bigger ones at Panera.
But you can freeze it.
Yeah, exactly. You can freeze it. So why can't you just get it for me? I'm requesting.
Everybody loves the PizzaQue videos. Everybody.
I don't go to Costco. Ariana. Hardly.
Look at all these pizzas we're getting ready. Look. Ariana, where's your Ooh.
Right there.
Now that's a pizza.
Right?
I love how thick you cut those potatoes.
Thick. One that's thick there.
It's alright. It's going to cook nice.
No, it's going to be fine.
I promise you. Look at all these pizzas.
No, I know. I'll eat it anyways. I'm going to eat it regardless.
Alright, good. I'm going to go get the oven ready.
I tried to do it as thin as I could.
It looked great. It looks great, baby.
I didn't want to cut my fingers off.
Can you go put some pizzas in the oven? Paula, go put some pizzas in the oven.
Little onions on there.
You don't like onions?
Now we know, in the wind, the PizzaQue has a hard time. Keeps going up and down, up and down. It's very windy. Looks good, baby. Oh, you're kind of right on the wire. Is that going to be okay for it?
Oh, I did it.
Looks good. This one's my favorite.
Huh?
This is hot pepper.
Yeah, probably.
Ooh, hot pepper. Mmm. Baby, pull it.
I'm taking a video.
I didn't know how the potato would come out.
I know. Let's try it.
Mmm.